Welcome back. So today we're going to just fit a tow bar to the van. Now this is going to be more of a time-lapse kind of video instead of a how-to, because I don't really want to promote people fitting their own tow bars too much, just for the element of risk, danger and safety. So it's going to be more of a time-lapse, so hopefully it goes well. My friend Will is coming round to give me a hand. So first of all, I need to get changed. That's better. Will's on his way, so let's make the coffee. Well, there we go guys, it's on. So unfortunately they don't look the best, it's not the most aesthetically pleasing to the eye, it's more about practicality. Went on quite well. Like I said, doesn't look the best. It's not the most appealing to the eye, but I wanted to pull my trailer and stuff, and I want to use this, and I want to tow my old track car back to the track, put that back on tracks. So get myself a car trailer, and then that'll be perfect. I would have bought a detachable one. So the ones that you can easily detach and you can't see it because there's none of this bracketry, it's all underneath the back. But because I already had this in the garage waiting, I hadn't bought it, I already had it. It was off a friend, so I kind of thought what a waste to just throw it away and buy one. So, and worst case scenario, I can do this job in a couple of hours now and fit a detachable one. But to be honest, it looks a lot better than I thought it was going to look. So I'm a lot happier with it. I did take the electrics hookup off the side so it's not as bulky, because normally that would be like that. I just think they look even worse. So I took that off, and I'll just hide the electrics behind up in the back so you can't see them. So quite happy with that. That's better. So that's better. So now I've got